Look in your eyes and I can see a life together. Standing by you and I think I want to forever. And after all that's come and gone through all the years, I can't believe the moment's finally here. And you never looked so beautiful. You're everything I've waited for, so much more. Standing right in front of me, and we go weather every high and low. If love is going where we go to have it hold forever, let's start our life together. Let's start our life together. Take my hand, there's 1,000 first dances for us, in an endless sky being lit by the fire of our love. And after all it's coming,
Mas 10 gram dibayar tunai.
Saya terima nikahnya dan kawinnya Mas Sri binti Ferry binti Ahmad Maulana dengan mas kawin emas 10 gram dibayar tunai.
hey you.